Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace a thermostat on a GMC Acadia. This is an easy method you can do yourself. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. Make sure you have a new thermostat and fresh engine coolant ready. Before you begin any work, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. Next, you'll need to drain some of the engine coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and position a suitable drain pan underneath. Slowly open the plug and allow about 2 gallons of coolant to drain out. Once drained, you can begin removing any hoses or components that are in the way of the thermostat housing. Now it's time to remove the old thermostat. Carefully unbolt the thermostat housing, which typically holds the thermostat in place. Once the housing is off, remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Take a moment to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces to ensure a proper seal for the new gasket and thermostat. Then, install the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly. With the new thermostat installed, reattach all hoses and components you removed. Now, it's time to refill your cooling system with fresh coolant. Slowly pour the coolant into the reservoir, allowing any air to escape. Start the engine and let it run with the heater on high to help bleed any remaining air from the system, ensuring proper circulation and preventing overheating. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.